Hi guys, welcome to my video today. I am doing my lunch meal prep video for you, and I'm going to be making some mason jar salads. I love mason jar salads. I could eat salad for lunch and dinner literally every day. So these are so awesome to make ahead and they stay fresh all week, which I absolutely love. So I have my mason jars. These are the 24-ounce mason jars. I just made a video a couple weeks ago. I made some soup and used these mason jars, so I got a lot of comments on these. They are the best. I love the wide mouth, but perfect size for make-ahead soup, really perfect size for these make-ahead salads also. So I got these on Amazon. I will link them in the description box, but they are really great for these salads. And like I said, they stay fresh all week. Like, I love how fresh everything stays. I am going to make some homemade ranch dressing for my salad prep for this week. And I have these little containers. They're like 2-ounce or so containers, but I'm going to portion out my salad dressing into these. So I will also put these in the description box from Amazon. I get a huge pack every time. It's like 100 in each pack. So they last me quite a while. But these are perfect, so I can separate the dressing from the rest of the salad to keep it super extra fresh. You could, if you don't want to get these salad dressing cups, you could put the salad dressing on the very bottom layer of the salad, and that will definitely keep it all fresh as well. As long as it's not touching the lettuce, you are good. So for my salad, I'm going to do rotisserie chicken. I just love how convenient rotisserie chicken is, and it is so yummy also. So I picked one of these up, and so I'm going to cut up the rotisserie chicken, and that will be my protein for this salad. I have my romaine lettuce that I will chop up. I hard-boiled some eggs last night, so they are ready to go. I love hard-boiled eggs, especially in salad. Some grape tomatoes, some cucumber, and so this is gonna make up my salad. I'm gonna layer it. I always put the meat on the bottom, so I'll have my chicken, then I'll have my other toppings, my egg, tomatoes, and cucumber, and then I'll put the lettuce on top. And I like to leave just a little tiny bit of room at the top, and then I put the salad dressing cup right on top before I seal these up. So I'm going to get the dressing made up first. I'll put all the ingredients for the dressing in the description box if you want to make it. Then I'll get the salad all made up so that these are all prepped and ready to go for the week. I have a whole playlist on mason jar salads because I really do love them so much. So I will link that playlist in the description box. If you like salads as much as I do, check out that playlist. Tons of different salads to have ready, make ahead for the week for a super healthy lunch, or even you can have these for dinner too. So I'm gonna get this all made up. Leave me a comment if you have any questions, and let's get this going.
I'm gonna make my dressing first. So I have some chives, some dill, lemon. I have mayonnaise. I'm gonna use cottage cheese, give it some extra protein, and Worcestershire sauce, garlic, and some parsley. So I have my 1 cup of mayonnaise. I'm gonna add in half a cup of cottage cheese. And I'm putting this all in my NutriBullet so I can blend it up nice and smooth. I'm gonna use a teaspoon of minced garlic. You can definitely mince your own garlic. I just love buying this jar of the garlic already all minced up, super easy. I am gonna do a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. And I am going to add in a teaspoon of dried dill, a teaspoon of chives, and then I am going to add in a tablespoon of the parsley. I'm going to chop it up super small, and then everything is going to be all nice and smooth in the NutriBullet. I love using the NutriBullet for dressings. Super easy. So I'm just going to blend it up, and it will be all ready to go after the rest of the ingredients are in. I love using fresh parsley in this one rather than dried parsley, but you could. I just prefer to use fresh. So I'm just going to chop it up super duper small, and then I will add that in to the rest of the dressing mixture. I'm gonna use the juice of a lemon. So I'm just gonna squeeze it right in, and I'm gonna make sure I don't get any seeds. I think I just got a seed, so I'm gonna make sure that seed comes out. But I'm just gonna squeeze it just straight into the dressing. I'm gonna whisk this up with all the seasonings in and combine it all, and it is so good. I love homemade dressings. They are super healthy. I love how high in protein this one is with the cottage cheese, and super yummy also. So I have all of my ingredients for my salad, and I love rotisserie chicken. It is one of my favorite things ever, and they're just so convenient, so much flavor, and I love this one. I got it from Costco, and they're so big. I definitely won't be using this whole chicken for these 4 salads, so you can definitely use this chicken for multiple meals. But so good and so easy. Just, I can't resist a good rotisserie chicken. So you can definitely customize this salad and add whatever your favorite toppings are. For this one, I'm gonna do cucumber. I love cucumber in salad. It is so refreshing, especially a salad with ranch. I just think cucumber and ranch go really good together. So I'm doing cucumber, hard-boiled eggs, grape tomatoes, and cheddar cheese. So definitely customize it to however you would like. But these are all of my favorite ingredients. So this salad is gonna be so delicious. And like I mentioned at the beginning, these stay fresh all week long, which is so wonderful. The glass jars and just tightened with the lids just really keep it super fresh. And I love salad, and I love that I don't have to pull out all of these ingredients every single day. All I have to do is pull out my container and my salad is ready to go. All right, I'm adding in my romaine lettuce. I'm using romaine for this one, but you can use any kind of lettuce you want. And I just shove it in as much lettuce as I can fit. And then these salads will be all set.
All right, so my salads are all made up. I'm gonna portion out my dressing and then these will be ready to go for the week. So what I do when I have these is I dump it over onto my plate and the lettuce comes out on bottom and all the other ingredients on top, and it looks so pretty when it comes out, but so delicious and totally fresh all week. So these are definitely my favorite. I love salad. So portioning this out, and then I just put the dressing right on top, and then I just put my lid right on top here, and everything is in here ready to go. So convenient. In the mornings, I just grab one of these out of the fridge and take it with me to work. So it is seriously so convenient. Absolutely love it. So I'm gonna portion the rest of these out and then they're ready to go. All right, so these mason jar salads, so good. Like I mentioned at the beginning, I have a whole playlist of mason jar salads, so make sure you check out that playlist. I'll put it right over here on the side. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. Click the bell button next to subscribe so you get a notification when I post new videos. All of my lunch meal prepping is done on Saturday mornings, so make sure you check back every Saturday to see what I'm making for lunch for the week. I hope that you have a really great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.